Hello everyone, my name is Shadi Halwi. I am a PhD student at the Institute Polytechnique Dubai. Today, I am presenting a preview of my poster, Reasoning with Transform-Based Models, Deep Learning but Shallow Reasoning. Recently, transform-based models are performing very well on many NLP tasks. However, do they really understand natural language? The survey paper discusses the performance of transform-based models on different reasoning tasks. I will briefly outline some common pitfalls that any transform-based models need to handle in order to reason on natural language. These pitfalls are negation, being sensitive to mispriming, memorizing pattern heuristics, and being insensitive to word order. One major question to ask is if transform-based models have deep reasoning capabilities. Short answer, no. The strength of transform-based models is that they can learn simple patterns combined with background knowledge from pre-training. The tasks that can be easily solved are horn rule reasoning. It is when the facts and rules are explicitly shown to the model, simple common sense reasoning, and simple mathematical reasoning such as asking a model to add two numbers. However, they fail on other reasoning tasks such as implicit reasoning, is when the facts and rules are not explicitly shown to the model, and visual common sense reasoning, and mathematical word problems. Our last question is if there is any task that transform-based model cannot solve even if trained on a large dataset. Short answer, yes. Transform-based models have theoretical limitations that fail to model the even parity and Dike-2 languages. Even parity is a set of bit strings where the number of ones is even. Dike-2 is a language of strings that are a balanced sequence of round brackets and square brackets. In order to see how these impact natural language, we designed two natural tasks, the light switch task and the cake task. The light switch task is assuming that the light is off in the beginning. The goal is to determine whether the light is on in the end. The goal of the cake task is to determine whether a sequence of steps is possible and if the cake is gone. We confirm that these limitations have an impact on natural language. Thank you.